Hi everyone, and in this video, I'm going to talk about DevOps automation for modern software delivery. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development dev and IT operations ops to shorten the system's development life cycle and provide continuous delivery with high quality. Automation is a key part of DevOps, as it helps to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. What is DevOps automation? DevOps automation is the use of automation to improve the software delivery process. This can include automating tasks such as continuous integration. C is a practice where developers regularly merge their code changes into a central repository. This helps to identify and fix bugs early in the development process. Continuous delivery. CD is a practice where software is automatically deployed to production after it has been successfully built and tested. This helps to ensure that software is always up to date and available to users. Infrastructure as code. IAC is a practice where infrastructure is defined in code. This makes it easier to automate the provisioning, deployment, and management of infrastructure. Benefits of DevOps automation. There are many benefits to using DevOps automation, including increased speed and efficiency. Automation can help to speed up the software delivery process by automating repetitive tasks. This can free up developers to focus on more important tasks, such as writing code and delivering features. Improved quality. Automation can help to improve the quality of software by identifying and fixing bugs early in the development process. Reduced costs. Automation can help to reduce costs by automating tasks that would otherwise be done manually. Improved collaboration. Automation can help to improve collaboration between teams by providing a common platform for communication and collaboration. Increased agility. Automation can help organizations to be more agile by making it easier to adapt to changing business needs and customer requirements. How to get started with DevOps automation. If you're interested in getting started with DevOps automation, there are a few things you need to do. Understand the basics of DevOps. Before you can start automating, you need to understand the basics of DevOps. This includes understanding the different roles and responsibilities of developers, operations, and security teams. Choose the right tools. There are a number of tools available to help you automate your software delivery process. The right tools for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. Create a plan. Once you've chosen your tools, you need to create a plan for how you're going to use them. This plan should include a list of the tasks you want to automate, as well as the resources you need to complete the project. Start small. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start with a small project and gradually add more automation as you become more comfortable with the process. Get feedback. As you automate, it's important to get feedback from your team. This will help you to identify any problems and make improvements to your automation process. Conclusion. DevOps automation is a powerful tool that can help you to improve the software delivery process. By automating repetitive tasks, you can free up developers to focus on more important tasks, such as writing code and delivering features. This can lead to increased speed, efficiency, quality, and cost savings. If you're interested in getting started with DevOps automation, I encourage you to check out the resources I've linked to in the description. Thanks for watching.